The direction of your outflow, that's your time and money, says a lot about where your success will come from. Good morning, my name is Victor Kwejer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with Business Building Blocks, episode 34 for 2023. All right, so now whether we consciously choose our outflow, that is where our time and resources go or not, we have made a choice. The direction of your outflow is into productive undertakings such as reading, researching, exercise, networking, training, acquiring skills, praying, meditating, personal development, self-improvement activities. It is a clear indicator of which area of life you are likely to succeed in. The opposite equally applies. Now, refusing to direct your outflow or taking charge of it is leaving the outcome to chance. And that, I am not sure, will be the smartest choice, because that is basically living your life to circumstance. And that is not what you want. I hope this sets you thinking as you go into the weekend. Thank you once again. If you have any comments to share, please don't hesitate to share it in the comment section. And please like and subscribe to the channel and like the post as well. And if you are an entrepreneur, aspiring entrepreneur, an existing business owner looking to grow your business or to start a business, please don't hesitate to get in touch. And I'll be more than glad to help you as a business success coach and consultant. For so many years, I've helped so many other clients. And also get ready for our podcast, which is going to be very insightful, educative, and very informative for our listeners. And lastly, by popular demand, we are hosting our book writing workshop once again, this time on the 18th of March 2023 at 8 p.m. GMT online, so you can join from anywhere in the world. And I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy, the tips, the steps that I've developed over the past 10 to 11, 12 years since I started writing. And I've written 13 books, published 8 books today, and I've helped so many other authors with this same strategy and principles, and it's going to help you. So sign up, check the description section, sign up and get on board so that your authorship goals for 2023 can be achieved and accomplished. All right. Thank you once again, and God richly bless you. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to coming your way again soon. God richly bless you.